In this video, we're going to take a quick look at what comes in the box of the SofaBaton X1 Smart Remote. So let's open up the box here, and you'll see first of all we have this remote control. Nice packaging. This is the remote itself. You see you got your screen protector on there. Got your buttons here, your back button and off button. This is going to be the screen. You've got your roller wheel here. You've got your circular wheel here, all buttons. Then you've got your, looks like a back button, home button, menu button. You've got a volume button, volume mute button, plus and minus, up and down for volume most likely, then up arrow, down arrow to control things. And you've got play, pause, fast forward or next, rewind or previous, and then you've got 4 color function buttons. Down here on the bottom, you do have your Type-C charging port. So this is a rechargeable remote. You don't change batteries, you just charge it up by plugging it into a Type-C charger. And yeah, that's it. There is no IR blaster on the remote itself because the IR blaster is a separate unit, as we'll see in just a minute. So let's take this out, and you have your, next you have your instructions right here. Got your welcome card, and you got your instruction manual that explains how to use it. You download the app on your phone, sign up for an account, all the information you need to get everything going and connect it to all your devices. So you've got your nice instruction manual. And then you've got the hub. I'm going to go ahead and take that protective cover off so we can take a good look at the hub. This is what is the IR blaster. This is the smart hub. Connects to Wi-Fi and then also sends the IR signals. You've got a little LED indicator on here. You've got rubber feet on the back. You've got mounting so that you can mount this to a wall if you want to mount it to the wall instead of sitting on top of something. On the back here, you've got your ports. You've got your Type-C power port here. That's how you power this. Plugs it into Type-C. You've got your little button here. That's like a reset button, probably maybe a programming button. Then over here you've got 2 inputs. These are for additional IR blasters. In case this one doesn't get to everything, you can plug additional blasters, and you'll see those are in the box. You can plug those in and run those to other places so that you can make sure you're covered for all your devices no matter where you are. So that's the hub. You've got your power cord. Actually, I'm sorry, this is not your power cord. This is the additional IR blasters. So you can see here, you plug this in, and then you've got 2 IR blasters on the end here. So you plug this in and run this cord to a different position. And you've got that one, and you've got this one has 2 on the end. And then you've got this one which has 1 on the end. So plenty of IR blasters to plug into this to make sure you can get those IR signals wherever you need them to go. Then you've got your power plug-in here. And this is what you plug in order to power this device. And you've got 2 cords here for charging the remote here, as well as for powering the hub. And these are USB-C to Type-C cords, both of these. So this is what you would use to power the remote, or charge the remote and power the hub, which needs continuous power. And yeah, so that is everything that comes in the box.